The locus ceruleus, LC, is a small nucleus located in the brainstem, specifically in the pons region. It is primarily responsible for producing and releasing norepinephrine, which is an important neurotransmitter involved in various functions, including attention, arousal, and stress responses. While the exact cause of Alzheimer's disease is not fully understood, research suggests that the locus ceruleus may play a role in its development and progression. In Alzheimer's disease, the brain experiences the accumulation of abnormal protein structures, including beta-amyloid plaques and tau tangles, which are considered hallmarks of the disease. Studies have shown that the locus ceruleus is particularly vulnerable to these pathological changes. In individuals with Alzheimer's disease, the locus ceruleus tends to degenerate and show a significant loss of neurons and norepinephrine-producing cells. This degeneration of the locus ceruleus is believed to occur early in the disease process, even before the onset of noticeable cognitive symptoms. The connection between the locus ceruleus and Alzheimer's disease is further supported by evidence that norepinephrine, the neurotransmitter produced by the locus ceruleus, plays a role in memory and cognition. Norepinephrine is involved in modulating synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory processes. Dysfunction in the locus ceruleus and the subsequent reduction in norepinephrine levels may contribute to the cognitive decline observed in Alzheimer's disease. It is important to note that while the locus ceruleus is considered a starting point or an early site of pathology in Alzheimer's disease, the disease itself is complex and involves widespread changes throughout the brain. Multiple factors, including genetic predisposition, environmental factors, and other brain regions, contribute to the development and progression of Alzheimer's disease. The locus ceruleus is just one piece of the puzzle in understanding this complex neurodegenerative disorder.